Ka estimate committee jong kaying dorbar tawan ke jela hapok jingilam jong Wembley kenong po constituency ba Miralbons em kum usongnar kalahiar Sharif Hoy district man lejurep yak jingtai kamtam habede bergijaka ajing sumar kebadon Harib Hoy district. Kani ka kanhun kalalej banjurep yaka MCH hospital kabadon hak snong umran kabadang don hapdeng jing penbet penbiang haswa benio ben pleno yaka Nangta kila ledru syaka trauma center kabadon ha civil hospital nongpo bat yaka office jongu DMHO bat arteli kislam jinghikai kipa kentup yaka polytechnic kabadon ha kisnong nongkra bat yaka Eklavia model residential school kabadon ha kisnong paham seim nongpo nakaliang usong knor kani ko komiti ba Miralbons em ba keren sikilat patai kubor ulaong ba ka komiti kan buddin bat pentikna ba kini ki jingtai kinlong ki ba yaj bet yaj ranti knang ba kinla ban pendap ha kapor ka babiang na ka benta ki jing mentoy jong ki pajba.
In fact, about a month ago, the health minister herself has come and visited this place. So in that meeting, we have requested officers from the PWD department, PHE department, and the MECL. As far as the MECL is concerned, I've seen that they have completed the connection, but whether they have commissioned it or not, I don't know. Kila connect kalai, but I ne kakam te kala adap ne. So that is one. Second most important is the road, and the tendering process for that is ongoing now. Only left is to be allotted. And through this committee, I would like to request, because when we ask the PWD, they stick to their own dimensions and specifications. But this being a hospital, at least 500 meters, both sides, the road should be widened, because when people come, they will need parking space. Only this compound here will not be enough. So there will be auto rickshaws, there will be local taxis to move to and fro to bring patients. So the usual 9 feet of road for 2 vehicles to ply is very difficult. I think if you have come through the usual road, today even the truck is blocked, blocking the road there. That's why you could not come straight. You have to go all around it. So the approach road, and the condition why the road is so bad is because there's no drainage. All the water that comes from the hillsides, the road becomes the way for the water. So it digs up all the pebbles and all that, no? So these 3 main things.
Okay. Nakasinging don hakani ke jaka lang ba jong ka estimate committee jong ka Meghania District Assembly ka program ka spot inspection ka bangila penbel hakini license ki belale ka bakentup ya education department ber health department ka estimate committee ketiga komiti ya ka sorkar kala benset kerpang na ka benta bangin budin ban pentikna baki estimate ki bala penkre na ka benta ki jingte ki bapher kila ambil hospital kila ambil school aga jalla baro ko way bangin budin ban pentikna bakin long ke bebit ke babiang bat ki kam ki ban dep aga por babiang bat kani komiti aga ju ke por gini ki pending issue ki bala sateng ki kam ki babun ki badang sateng kala bandai na gajing bom don funding kala bandai na gajing bom biang ke estimate ke bala sana kala bandai ki issue ki babun ki don yelek kat bala ban budin na gani komiti bat aga ni ka spot inspection ke bangila yo ban pendep kini ki license ke bakan thuk ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hill, ya ka West Khasi Hill, ya ka West Garo Hill, South Garo Hill, Harib Hoy district. Ini di district bangila cover kini ki license ka bakentup ya ki residential school kumhalau bertun nanta po Rongjeng nanta po Edenbari West Garo Hill nanta ki polytechnic idon artli ka we gede Nong Ston ba ka we gede po Nong Kra Nong Po Harib Hoy district nangta ki bade bat ka tenat peng ko kakya ina yo ban jengo ya ki artli ki trauma center ka we gede ka tura bat ka we gede Nongpo bat mentah ni jong health department ngidan hagani ke MCH hospital hang ni apa umran parila umsning konsulsi Harib Hoy district ke kum ka komiti ngila lab bat ngila syam ki don ki bentah ki ba ngihap ban budin nak yang jong komiti ban penting kena bagi ni ki institution ki berkentuk ya katanat jong ko ka khia ber pulih putih ki dei ban dep kloi kat bala kanang ba kin la ban long operationalize nam ta ki jong toy jong ki pai ba ki babun ki balang lagi di residential school lagi di kini ki EMRS ka bengi la yo ban pej kawi ke dia po pamsim bat kawi ke dia po samanda kini ki iklavia model of residential school bat kumjuru pada berketanat jong ko ka khia bengi la yo ban budin bat kini komiti ingin persangkat bala ban penting bagi ki barok ki bang sarkar ka de ban sanction apa ding jing duna ki babun ki bang ya kendu andre ngin budin bagi ni kam ki de ban long nam tang jing mentoy jong ki bai ba jong jela bro ko pi takadau bong pi bagi ni komiti ngi penlut ya kapor ki jong ni nang tang sport inspection ban penting kena ban ensure bagi de ban yeng pi ka estimate man tagi don kini ki project ki ba ke SOR ke de na usnem katsan kan riu ka kam kala ya la sange mentala da pin habala sange kam arlai snem la senang biang menta kador kalai per sebeneng sekendo ini tak ada gini komiti ngisim kia ban penting kena bala don kam ban rikas gitu ki estimate kata ke kamram jumi ban penting kena ban rikas biang ban re estimate yaki kenang ba ka kam kan yat kenang ba kinom sakut kini ki project kadwala
Tina ke next step dengan komiti minta ban ensure
komiti ban submit ya ki report ke jungi ke findings ke observation ke jungi kumbala pan kupor da ka legislative assembly ya ban submit ya ka report sya ka legislature at the same time sya ka executive ru bangin ka delegation ke jungi the same delegation ngin let ban budin ban penting kena ban kwa penting kena estimate committee kani ka team ka bangin don menta ba ngin tray kat bala ban ensure ba kini ki kam ki pesateng di ban pendep no tentang jiban toy dapat pak.
Tina yang komiti kandon kan no time frame saya bukan asal government bukan pendap ut ini ki project.
Kloi kat bala ka time frame kebetulan hangi kalau kloi kat bala mar ba kani kan deiru ban ngin ha ban kren nam taman sanction bandang jing penmang di batamai ban rikas ki estimate kini kita akan simpori dan kat bala ngin yelek ban budin bakan dep kloi.